What's up guys, Myung here from Camera to Freedom, and this episode I wanted to just really talk about myself, what I've been doing for the past 18 years in my photography and video career. I want to just talk a little bit about my studio. We just moved into a new house here in California, Winchester, California. This is the first time us as a family bought a house. So we're super excited, and my wife was gracious enough to design this studio of mine. This has been a dream of mine. The videos I've been making in the past has been just in my room, plain wall, no design, just, no studio at all. But we just moved into a new house, and my wife is being very supportive, and she hooked me up with an awesome studio. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna just give you a little tour on how my little loft is looking. So this episode is gonna be a little bit different, right? Just a little bit about Myung. So, I mean, if you've been watching any of my videos and learning some cool stuff about photography and video, I appreciate it. I gotta share it, right? I've been doing photography and video for 18 years. I've been photographing and filming weddings, TV commercials, family photos, food, babies and parties and funerals, a lot of funerals, music videos. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have just filmed and photographed everything, and I've been loving it so much. Like just last week, I had to film a pilot school and made a little video about what they were about. And then right after that, I shot a wedding right afterwards, and then an engagement family photo. We're doing a surprise engagement shoot this weekend. So it's been an adventure. It's been crazy, having fun, traveling the world and shooting, and that's my little boy. And now that I've been doing it for so long, and I feel really comfortable about it and excelling at it, now my mission in life as I'm getting older is to pass it down, and I want to just share everything I know, and I would hope that you this is my biggest pride and joy. What, Baba? Appa's making a video, okay? Go. Appa's making a video. What do you want? Oh no. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. My biggest pride and joy, of course. That's every father's biggest pride and joy, right? And that's why we're doing this. That's why we're doing this, for those little dudes. So anyways, I wanted to continue on in this video and just talk about what Camera to Freedom is. I'm doing Camera to Freedom. It's my own company that I've started, where my mission in life is to share everything that I've learned from photography, video, audio, just filming and photographing everything, and not just to have fun, but mainly to have it as a business, have it as a source of income. And I call it Camera to Freedom because of the camera that I own. I was able to have a life of freedom, right? I don't have a boss to answer to. I make my own hours. I'm an entrepreneur, and you can too. If you love photography and you love video and you own a camera and you want to learn, then one of the small steps is to check out some of my videos and my mission, and hope that I could just pass it on to you. And so if you go to www.cameratofreedom.com and sign up with your email, I'm going to just every once in a while send you some tutorials, some invitations to some live Zoom events, master classes where I interview top wedding photographers and video makers and so on, and share that knowledge with you guys. Because we all need a platform. They need a platform too. How come we're not showing off the most awesome photographers and videographers to the world? So that's one of my handful of missions that I got. So I'm hoping that I just keep at it, and that I could get some people to ride along and learn from and trade ideas as well. I'm learning from you guys too. I'm always learning, no matter what. So that's my mission. I can't wait. It's 100%. Let's go. Just a very small information about me regarding photography. Our company is called Prodigy Studios. We do wedding photos, wedding videos, and that's our primary focus because that's what I started out as a long time ago, as a wedding photographer. Me and my friends, we had a bunch of camera gears. We were trying to do a project. It didn't work out, so we're like, you know what? Maybe we should start shooting weddings. So that's how our passion went. And 18 years later, I'm still doing it. I'm loving it. I got a wedding to shoot this weekend, and I always get nervous. You know what I mean? It's never gonna be easy, a cookie cutter. So, but that's what it is when you love what you do. You want to be making sure that everything that you do it your best, and that you always try your best to improve. You don't want to be the same stylistic photographer, you know, forever. You want to get better. You want to change. You want to try new things. Oh, just in case if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate you. All right, so just a small little tour of this loft.